The Dyson DC25 provides superior cleaning results with all the innovation you'd expect from a Dyson. Ball technology and compact lightweight design gives you greater maneuverability over traditional vacuum cleaners. Cyclone technology spins dust to the edge of the bin so there's no loss of suction. Suitable for every floor type, the MultiFloor Head provides easy transition from carpeted to hard floors. And the motorized brush bar helps lift ground-in dirt so it can tackle even the most demanding vacuuming tasks. The quick-draw telescopic wand allows you to clean those tough-to-reach spots. Emptying is quick, clean and easy with a simple release catch allowing you to empty directly into your bin. Washable HEPA filters means it's ideal for allergy sufferers. And Dyson guarantees all parts and labour for 5 years. Argos, on your mobile, tablet, online and in store.